Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're gonna take a look at Wix and Lovable to see which no-code builder is actually worth it. So I have here a list with the pros and cons for each one of them. First of all, for Wix, best for beginners, small businesses, and creatives needing fast no-code websites. They offer drag and drop editor with over 900 templates. They have built-in SEO, blog, e-commerce and app integrations, and no coding required. The downside, limited for complex apps or custom back-end logic. Great for marketing sites, portfolios and small e-commerce. Then we have Lovable, which is best for startups or makers building web apps with AI assistance. They offer AI-generated front-end and super-base backend integration. They also offer drag and drop builder with logic, database and GitHub export, ideal for MVPs and simple web applications. The downside, still new, limited support and no native mobile apps. Better for app-like functionality, forms, logic and authentication. So these are the pros and cons. Thanks for watching, guys.